Hello Miri learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see present perfect. Let's start. We are going to see the uses of present perfect. We use the present perfect to express actions that began in the past and continue in the present. For example, I've started an online English course this month and I continue studying the course. The action began in the past and continues in the present. I continue studying the English course. Or we can use the present perfect if the action has just finished. We will see the result of the action in the present. For example, I've cooked some biscuits. Try them. So here, the action just finished. I just finished cooking the biscuits. So now you can try them. I finished cooking the biscuits. This action finished. How do we form the present perfect? So we use the auxiliary verb to have plus the past participle of the main verb. Be careful, there are two types of verbs. We have regular verbs, their past participle forms add ed to the infinitive, or the irregular verbs. And here we will take the third column. The past participle of the three columns is the third column. You have to study it. In the next video, you are going to learn these three columns. So pay attention. We use the auxiliary verb to have in the present and the past participle of the main verb. If the verb is regular, we add ed. If not, we take the third column. In the affirmative, what is the order? First subject, then have or has, then past participle, and complements. Example, I have studied English for 5 years. Or, I've studied English for 5 years. Here, you've got the short form, the contraction. Instead of I have, you can say I've. Other example, she has done a survey today. Or, she's done a survey today. Here you have the short form. She has or she's. How do we build the negative? First, we have the subject, then haven't or hasn't, then the past participle, and then the complements. Example, I haven't finished my homework yet. Or, she hasn't read the new book. Remember, we use has or hasn't for he, she, or it. How do we build the interrogative sentence? We start by have or has, then the subject, then we can use ever or not, then the past participle, and then the complements. For example, have you ever visited Australia? Or has she ever come to your house? When you use ever, that means if you have at any time visited Australia, or if she has at any time come to your house. So here I'm asking if you've ever done this action. We write since or for when we are answering this question, how long? For example, how long have you been studying English? And here I can say, I've studied English since 2001. We use since for a specific moment. So 2001 is a specific year. We use since. In Spanish means desde. Or, how long has she been cooking? She has been cooking for 3 hours. For in Spanish means durante. We use for when we have a period of time. And here, be careful because we use present perfect continuous. What is present perfect continuous? Very easy. Verb to have in the present plus been plus the verb in ing. With this sentence, you've got the meaning of a period of time, of duration. Here I leave you some exercises. You have to complete using present perfect with the verbs you've got in each sentence. And here you have to complete using for or since. I will give you the answers in the next video. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.